Realme has announced that the Realme 14 Pro series will be launched next month without revealing the launch date. The Realme 14 series is a groundbreaking addition to the smartphone market, featuring innovative technology and sleek design. The Realme 14 Pro Plus stands out with its quad-curved AMOLED display, offering a 93.8% screen-to-body ratio for an immersive visual experience. One of the series' most unique features is the cold-sensitive color-changing back panel, which shifts hues when exposed to temperatures below 16 degrees Celsius, creating a dynamic aesthetic. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, the series ensures robust performance for both everyday and intensive tasks. Durability is another key highlight, with certifications for dust and water resistance and TV Rhineland validation for resilience. Additionally, the Ocean Oculus triple camera system, complemented by a Magic Glow flash for enhanced low-light portrait photography, showcases the brand's focus on imaging excellence. Combining cutting-edge design, durability, and powerful performance, the Realme 14 series is set to redefine the smartphone experience.